Right, welcome back to the channel. It's a cold and frosty morning this morning, I must admit. Hope everybody's doing good. Lockdown again. It has caused some issues for me. A lot of you know I haven't long moved into this garage. I was trying to get everything sorted and get everything straight before I bought the rest of the bits over. I've got parts and tools and obviously the Varadero and the Hayabusa. That was in the temporary garage that I was using for a couple of weeks in between moves. Unfortunately with lockdown I can't go and get them. So that's caused a few issues, and I'm sure it's caused a few issues for, I have seen some other YouTubers that are in, well, the same situation, and some actually a little bit worse, where they can't go and get parts or they can't get supplies, and it's really hindering. It is a pain, but like most of them, I'm going to continue on, carry on the best I can with what I've actually got here. The purpose of today, I'm sorry it has been a while since I've released the last video, which was the Happy New Year video. In that one I showed you around the garage. Not much has actually changed in the garage. It's roughly still the same. Obviously I can't go to the tip. I can't get rid of bits that I need to get rid of. I'm still unboxing a few parts. I did show you around the garage, and there was the wall to the left of me that I said I've got a plan for that. I was actually waiting for that to arrive. It's now arrived, so I'll show you what's turned up. Right, and there we go. I have a massive banner turned up a few days ago. I thought it would be good for the channel, and it fills a whacking great space on that wall. But yeah, really pleased. That's the new design logo that I released a while ago. Facebook people obviously got to see most of it first before YouTube. There is a link in the description to my Facebook page if you want to pop across, join the other followers. It went over 500 followers not long ago. I think last night it was up to about 510, 512, which is fantastic. Never expected it to grow that big, and it's still growing daily. But that is the new logo that I designed, well, I had designed for me, and decided to have it done on a banner for the garage. So that's come out really well. I will discuss in a second. I've had a few questions about the actual colour schemes. I'm actually going to run, I'm going to stick with this one as my main logo, but I'm actually looking at other colour schemes with that same design. So as I said, that's obviously my main logo design. You saw in the last episode there was a t-shirt as well. There's a large emblem, and I've done a small logo as well. I've had a couple of people saying I just like plain, sort of black and white. So I've done some working with some colour with the black and white, trying to take out the colours and add in sort of a black and white, so it actually works. There's a bit of grey in it as well. But I'll show you a picture on screen now. That design at the moment is not live, it's in the making. Let me know in the comments box below what you think. I released that picture on Facebook probably just under a week ago, and it went down really well. People actually did like that one as well. So you've got the choice of, it will be the colour one, which I've just shown you, which is on the t-shirt, and I will release the black and white one. I've just got to finish up a few little bits on it, a few bits of definition in certain places, and then I'll start transferring that onto t-shirts, hoodies, etc., stickers as well. But as I say, just a quick one today. I haven't really done a great deal. The Z1000 has gone up on a stand just to keep it out of the way. I know I'm not starting that until later on in the year, but I have a part arriving for that hopefully within the next week. As many of you know, it's a case of grab stuff at the right price when you can, and what I planned for the engine doesn't come up very often. It did come up. Oh, I bought it straight away. Literally, the guy had just listed it. I'd spoken to him the night before, waited till the listing come up, and that was it. Hit the buy button, it was done. Next episode, we're going to go back onto the Z, pull out all the parts. I have bought some parts. I've got some parts on order, so we'll go through that on the Z. So many people on the Z have got to the end of the actual playlist. There'll be a link in the description, and if it works, I'll put a link up in the top corner to the Z650 playlist. I've now updated it. Apologies to the gentleman that messaged me saying I've got to part, I think it was 83, and I can't find the rest. That's all been updated. Many of you are back in your garages doing your projects, which is fantastic. As I said, if you want to drop across to my Facebook page, keep me updated on how your builds are going. I'm always interested to see what people are doing, what builds they've got. I did consider doing a Project Lockdown Part 2, but then decided not to. The Project Lockdown, again, was a video I did a while ago with everybody's help, and that went down really well. People enjoyed that. It was great to see all people's builds. But as I say, if you want to pop across to Facebook, if you're on Facebook, link in the description, come and say hi, join the rest of them, and feel free to chat, ask questions. You can personal message me if you wish, and I'll always get back to you as soon as I can. Things are starting to straighten up a bit, so that'll be quite good. As I say, Instagram and Patron, I'm still yet to update. I'm still trying to finish off what I can in the garage and spend more time on social media if I can do it. But as I say, purpose of this video, I just wanted to show you the new banner, which, as I say, let me know what you think. I'm really pleased with it. You saw the new t-shirt, you've seen the black and white logo. That will be going live as soon as I can get to it, and the next episode onto the Z650 and continue on with that. Obviously the paintwork I can't do until it gets warmer. I've had the heater on here for quite some time and it's still quite chilly. But I say, big shout out to everybody that supports, follows, likes, subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when new videos come out. I will try and get back to the 2 videos a week schedule. It's just a bit tricky at the moment. I'm trying to play catch up, so at the moment I'll probably just do 1, but I'll try and get the videos out as and when I can. But I say, appreciate all your support. Thanks for watching. Join me again next time. Cheers. Bye.